Welcome all of you. In the previous video, we cover overview of variables in Python. Now, in today's video, we are going to cover details of variable and rules of variable in Python. So open Anaconda Navigator, then launch Jupyter Notebook. Don't close this terminal. This is the dashboard of a Jupyter Notebook. We created a Python folder inside the desktop. Let's click on desktop. Then in the Python, then you have to create new file. So new Python 3 file. You have to add one name here. Testing 2. Then how to declare variable? My underscore name is equal to wisdom. And if you want to print that variable, you have to write print my underscore name. Run that, you will get your name is printed. Now the first rule of variable, that variable name can't start with number. You can write something this 20 my name is equal to wisdom. That will give you error. But you can write something like this, my name 2 is equal to wisdom. That will allow, but this will not allow. You can't start variable name with number. The second thing, you can't add space in between two variables. Suppose my space name is equal to wisdom. That will give you error. So if you want to add if you want to give name to a big name, then what you have to write, my underscore name is equal to wisdom. That means you can add underscore while you are giving name. So this is the third rule. Then you can use camel casing. So what is camel casing? Suppose my name is equal to wisdom, or you can write this, my number is equal to 1 to 3. So this is the another way to declaring a variable. So if you want to print the variable, so what you have to do, suppose we created one variable, that is my name is equal to wisdom. So there are multiple ways to print variable in Python. So just click it. If you want to print, you have to use print, then my name is, then this bracket, and after that you have to use dot format, and inside this dot format you have to give your name, that is my name. If you run this program, you can get my name is wisdom. Suppose I change the name and again I want to print this, so my name is wisdom sprout. So this is the one method, dot format method. Using this method you can print a variable. The second method is like print, instead of this dot format you have to add format shortcut at the starting, and you can write something like this, my name is, and you have to add your variable name. So our variable name is my name. You can get that, my name is wisdom sprout. The most famous method is this. Suppose I want to add one more variable, that is my name, my number is 1 to 3, and run that program. I want to print both my number and my name, then I have to write down something like this, print F stand for format, then double inverted comma, inside the double inverted comma my name is, I store my name in this variable, that is my name variable, and my number is my number. Then click. You can use my name is wisdom sprouts and my number is 1 to 3. You can also like something like this, my name is my name, then my number, my name is, and my number is, this packet. So you can say that my name is Wisdom Sprouts and my number is 123. So these are some famous printing statement in Python. You can use it in anywhere. So that's for today's video. Thank you guys. Please subscribe and click bell icon to get more update.